The kitchen is often called the heart of the home, but it is also one of the most profitable areas for artisans who craft wooden accessories. From cutting boards and rolling pins to utensil holders and spice racks, handmade wooden items combine utility, beauty, and the potential for steady income. Kitchen Goldmine captures the idea that even the smallest handcrafted pieces can yield substantial profit when designed with care, creativity, and an understanding of what buyers truly want. These aren't just tools for cooking, they are investments in style, organization, and craftsmanship that appeal to modern homeowners, gift buyers, and culinary enthusiasts alike. Handcrafted wooden kitchen accessories occupy a unique niche. They bridge the gap between everyday practicality and artisanal elegance. A smooth, polished cutting board can become the centerpiece of a kitchen. A hand-carved spoon transforms the act of cooking into a sensory experience. Buyers appreciate the tactile pleasure, visual appeal, and durability of well-crafted wooden pieces, which makes them willing to pay premium prices. For creators, this translates into both immediate and long-term revenue. Wooden kitchen accessories offer countless opportunities for creativity and income. Each item, whether large or small, can be personalized, enhanced, and marketed as both functional and decorative. Cutting boards are a perfect example. By choosing quality hardwoods like maple, walnut, or cherry, a craftsman ensures durability while showcasing natural grain patterns that appeal to buyers. Boards can be designed with grooves for juices, handles for convenience, or personalized engravings that make them ideal gifts. A well-crafted cutting board is not only a kitchen tool but a conversation starter, elevating both the cooking experience and the value of the product. Rolling pins, ladles, and spatulas also hold market potential. Each can be sculpted, smoothed, and finished to perfection, offering an artisan touch that mass-produced alternatives lack. Buyers are drawn to the comfort and feel of handcrafted items. A wooden rolling pin that fits perfectly in the hands, balanced for even pressure, or a ladle carved with precision becomes an irresistible purchase for those who cook often and value quality tools. The tactile experience is as important as the visual appeal. Storage solutions amplify both style and profit. Wooden spice racks, utensil holders, and stackable organizers combine utility with design. Customers seek kitchen items that not only organize but enhance aesthetics. A spice rack crafted with modular design or a utensil holder with carved patterns creates added value. Functional artistry is highly marketable. When buyers see that your product simplifies their kitchen while providing visual appeal, they are willing to invest more. Handmade accessories are ideal for gift markets. Weddings, housewarmings, and holidays generate consistent demand. Items like engraved cutting boards, decorative spoons, and unique serving trays can be positioned as thoughtful, high-quality gifts. Offering customization options, initials, messages, or special patterns increases their perceived value. Personalized items rarely lose appeal, and buyers are willing to pay extra for exclusivity and attention to detail. Marketing these products requires storytelling. Videos or photos showing the making process, selecting wood, cutting, sanding, and finishing not only highlight craftsmanship but also build trust with customers. A behind-the-scenes look allows buyers to connect emotionally with the product. They see the labor, care, and creativity that goes into every piece, which justifies the price and encourages purchase. Online marketplaces, social media platforms, and artisan fairs all provide avenues to reach a wide audience. Demonstrating both beauty and functionality online can turn casual viewers into loyal clients. Material choice and finishing are critical to both appeal and durability. Hardwoods resist wear and knife marks, while natural finishes protect the wood and maintain food safety. Oils, waxes, and food-grade finishes enhance the natural color, making each piece visually appealing. The combination of aesthetics, safety, and functionality creates a product that lasts and generates repeat sales. Buyers return not just for one item, but for sets or additional products. Efficiency in production also impacts profit. By creating standardized templates for cutting boards, utensils, and racks, artisans can reduce waste and streamline production. However, each piece can still retain individuality through wood selection, engraving, or subtle variations in shape. This balance between consistency and uniqueness allows you to scale your operation without sacrificing artisanal charm. Pricing strategy should reflect effort, material cost, and uniqueness. Buyers understand the value of handmade wooden accessories, the time invested, the care taken, and the superior quality compared to factory-made alternatives. Transparent pricing that communicates both material and craftsmanship ensures that profit margins are sustainable while maintaining customer satisfaction. Sustainability enhances marketability. Using responsibly sourced wood or repurposing scraps for smaller items appeals to eco-conscious buyers. Marketing these sustainable practices not only attracts attention but also positions your brand as thoughtful and responsible. Buyers appreciate knowing that their purchase is both functional and environmentally considerate. Small wooden accessories can complement larger pieces. A well-designed cutting board can pair with a matching utensil holder or rolling pin, creating bundles that increase total sale value. Cross-selling products encourages higher spending while maintaining aesthetic coherence in a customer's kitchen. Every item you craft contributes to a curated collection that enhances both the kitchen and your revenue. The long-term advantage of wooden kitchen accessories lies in their timelessness. Unlike trends that fade quickly, high-quality wooden pieces continue to be valued. Their durability ensures they remain functional and visually appealing for years, building customer loyalty. Buyers may return for replacements, gifts, or additional items, creating consistent revenue streams. Handmade wooden kitchen accessories are more than tools, they are investments in style, functionality, and profit. By combining craftsmanship, creativity, and market understanding, you can turn ordinary kitchen spaces into sources of income and inspiration. Every piece you craft contributes to your reputation, your brand, and your financial growth, transforming simple wood into a lasting kitchen goldmine. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.